Alright, so you guys must have seen these kind of short AI based animation stories all over the internet. Like literally they are so engaging, million of views out there. Have a look at this channel. They have gained handsome amount of views in just 33 videos. So today in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys in detail that how you can create these amazing AI stories of your own with different AI tools, and that's for completely free. So without a further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So as you guys can see this video over here, I'm gonna be recreating this. So let me firstly take a screenshot of this. Alright, so I've taken the screenshot of this. Now for the step number one, I'm gonna be using ChatGPT to create different stories like this and creating prompts out of them. So I gave ChatGPT this screenshot over here that I just taken it from that video. So I said to ChatGPT, I want to create motivational 3D short for my YouTube channel like this. So I've extracted the script from that video and I have just gave it to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to give me other stories like this. As you can see, I have asked it now give me a script of your own, just like the sample I provided, like take inspiration from that and the script shouldn't be that long. So ChatGPT basically wrote me a script over here, as you guys can see, for my own short. I've also asked ChatGPT to give me some prompt for this script. So here, as you guys can see, ChatGPT gave me these 9 prompts of that script. For the first prompt, ChatGPT gives us the detail of the young man that is lying in his bed and he is constantly using his phone and he has no energy and no motivation to do anything with his life. So over here in prompt number 3, he suddenly gets a message of his grandpa passed away. So after that he gets sad and he gets quite motivated with his life. So as I have gained all of the prompts, now for the step number 2, I'm going to be using FlexClip to create images out of these prompts. Alright, so we are at the homepage of FlexClip. So over here we have to choose AI text to image. So it is the interface of FlexClip. Over here you have to give the prompt. So let me just copy paste the prompts that ChatGPT just gave me. Right, so I've pasted the prompt. Over here we have to select the style. So I'm going to be choosing 3D style over here. The model will be ultra and the ratio would be 9:16 because it is best suitable for mobile devices. Let's just generate this image. Alright, so our image has been generated. So you guys can see the young man is laying in the bed and he's using the mobile constantly. So let me just jot all the prompts over here and generate all the images. Alright guys, so I've copy pasted all the prompts and these are the results. Like over here, this young man is using the mobile constantly. Over here, he gets news of his grandpa passing away. Over here, the boy is looking at the mirror in shame because he has done nothing with his life. And finally, he starts to work towards his goals in this video. So now, as we have generated all the images out of the prompts that ChatGPT gave us, so now let's move ahead and generate videos out of these images. So in step number 3, I'm going to be using Runway. So as you guys can see, this is the homepage of Runway. So over here, you have to get started with you have to log in. Let me just do it. Right, so we have to generate a video. So I'm going to be going and choosing generate video. Over here, you have to paste the image that you want the video of. So I'm going to be choosing the images like this. By the way, Runway is giving us 125 credits for free. Like for one video generation, 25 credits are deducted. So you can generate 5 videos out of that. So I'm going to be suggesting you guys to create multiple accounts and create it for free like I am doing it. So over here, you have to give the prompt regarding your image. So I'm going to be typing boy is sad. So you have to choose the aspect ratio as 9:16. The model would be Gen-4 Turbo. Let's just generate this. Alright, so as you guys can see, our video is in GUI and it's been generated. Alright guys, so our video is ready and you can see the video looks quite good and there is no distortion effect. The video is smooth and constant. So let me just generate all the videos of all the images that I just generated. Alright guys, I have generated all the images. Like you can see over here, he is using the phone constantly. Over here, that young boy now turns to adult and he is quite motivated with his life. So finally, that young boy has become an adult man and has begun to take his life serious. So as we have created the prompts, we have created the images out of that prompt. We have also generated the videos out of that images. So now I have to generate AI speech for the given script of the story. So for that, I have copy pasted the script of ChatGPT over here in ElevenLabs. You can choose any model of your preference and let's just generate the speech. Alright guys, so you guys must have gotten an idea that how you can create speech out of text using ElevenLabs. So for our next step, we have to choose a background music for our story. So for that, I'm going to be using Pixabay. So I've mentioned that I want background sad music this sound is perfect. So I'm gonna be going and downloading this. Alright, so now we have gathered all of the things. We have our videos, we have our background music, we have our AI voice script. So now for our final step, I'm gonna be using Filmora to align all of our videos, background music, and effects together. So as you can see, I have aligned all of the videos over here, and I've also added background music over here. I've also added the voiceover that I just generated for ElevenLabs. So now let's just look the final output of the video.
Liam used to sleep all day, wasting time scrolling through his phone. He said he was waiting for the right moment to start working on his dreams. But days turned into months, and nothing changed. One morning, he got a message. Grandpa passed away. Liam froze. His grandfather had always believed in him. That day, Liam stood in front of the mirror and saw a version of himself he didn't want to be anymore. He picked up his notebook, planned his goals, and started showing up, even when it was hard. From sleeping in to running at sunrise, from excuses to execution. He finally realized, there is no right moment. You create it.
So now you guys should have an idea how you can create these kind of short format AI based stories of your own and gain millions of views in very less time. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. Till the next video, take care, bye bye.